Hi, in the next few minutes, I'll show you my job interview preparation system. It helped me effectively prepare for my web dev interviews and get the dream job with paid relocation. This system allows you to master any web development concept so you feel confident at the interview and get the job you want. I'm Ilya Seisov, a web developer just like you, and once I needed a job just like you. So in about 18 months, I applied to about 1,000 job applications at LinkedIn, Turing, Arc.dev, Relocate.me, and a few Russian job boards. And as a result, I got around 20 to 30 interviews. But the thing is that I mostly failed at majority of them. Still remember the big ones. This lost for 4,200 offer. And the thing is what that I couldn't explain the portals in React in a good way. Another loss was this 3,500 because I was slack at explaining the HTTP protocol. But I was learning and getting better from interview to interview. And finally, I cracked the code and got the offer letter, a dream job, plus paid relocation for my family and I. And I was analyzing what worked and what didn't. And the thing is that I finally came up with a preparation system that worked. And it based on a flashcards method. And the thing is that flashcards is a scientifically proven method for preparing for exams and tests. And it's used by lawyers, by doctors. And here's some facts from research papers from real people explaining why and how the flashcards work. Welcome to the inside of the app. So let's start with the navigation. So if you click this burger button, then you will see the sidebar with all the categories. And if you click the chevron button, then you will see the topics of a category. All the topics are ordered in a logical way, the way you're going to see this in the textbook or documentation, which it makes it very convenient. You could see all the topics right here in the sidebar, or you just can click the category and then you will see the expanded way. So now let's take a look at the test, the flashcards in action. So we right now inside of the test, and the first thing we see at the top is this badge where we see HTML and text formatting. It means we are inside of the category HTML in the topic of text formatting. Then we see navigation of the questions and then the question itself and four answers. Let's go with strong. And as you can see, it was a correct answer. It's highlighted as a green. We see the green here at the navigation of the questions, and also we see explanation. So let's go for the next question, and this time let's go for the wrong. So let's go for the marked text, and as you can see here, we immediately see the feedback that we answered incorrect. We see the correct answer. We see the navigation question turned red. It means it's wrong answer. And also right there, we see the explanation. And in terms of navigation inside of the specific test, you could either use the next button to answer, for example, like that, or you could utilize these numbers. Because the core idea of this application was to make it convenient to study. And at any moment during the test, you could switch to any question to see the feedback and how you're done. So let's finish the test, just simply answering the questions. And as you can see here, after we have answered all the 10, we see the finish button. And if we click it, we're gonna end up at the results screen. And here we see the number of correct answers, wrong answers, and our score. So let's say we got our results and we decided to save and quit. So the indicators. As you can see here inside of this category, we have some blank cards. For example, array events, it means that you haven't yet touched this test. But if you see some colored indicators such as red, orange, or green, it means you have already tried this test. And if you see the green indicator, it means you scored 100%. If you see the red indicator, you scored 0%. And if it's orange, it means it's somewhere in between. In this case, it's very easy to see your weak spots and your strong spots. You could navigate to the quiz results screen of the test you have finished. And here, one of the most important things is that you could review the entire test. Let's say you have taken this test a week ago and you don't really remember how you did, but now you could see and you could study your strong spots and weak spots you have to work on, which again makes it very convenient when you study or prepare for your next interview. So again, the main idea behind all this application was to make your study process and preparation for interview to make it as easy as possible. And let's say after some time you came back to quiz results and you decided to erase the results, the previous results, to start all over again. So it's very easy. You just press reset. And now, as you can see, it's clean slate and you can start it all over again. The same thing you can do for entire category. So click, and now you see the model window to make sure you approve. And boom, the entire category was wiped. And as you can see here, it's gone from here. And the same thing you could repeat for entire application. In a case you would like to start from the very beginning. Imagine walking into your next interview with a super confidence. No fear, just pure confidence based on a preparation system. So, if feeling confident during your next interview and getting that dream job you always wanted is something you're looking for, then click the green button below this video right now. It will take you to the pricing section where you can choose the plan you want. And also, I made a research, and the facts show that you can return your investments in 1 or 2 days on average. And in some countries like United States or Canada, it could be as fast as 2 hours. Wait, I want to increase your chances of getting your dream job even more. That's why, only during the launch, I want to add these 3 beautiful bonuses: HR interview playbook, technical interview playbook, and behavioral interview playbook, each valued at $77. But if you will purchase any plan of Ultimate Interview Preparation System today, you will get this completely for free. The total value of $231. But wait, the first 99 developers who purchase any plan will get this beautiful FANG interview playbook valued $197. So to recap, if you buy any plan during the launch, you will get HR interview playbook, technical interview playbook, and behavioral interview playbook. And if you're going to be among the first 99, you will also get the FANG interview playbook. So go ahead and get your total value of $428. I'm so confident that my interview preparation system works that I offer a powerful 30-day money-back guarantee. So conditions are: first, you practice for 30 days for about 20 to 25 minutes a day. Second, you attend at least one technical interview within those 30 days. And if you don't feel a dramatic improvement in your level, then first, I will refund 100% of your money. Second, I will give you 3 months to use my application. And third, you keep all the bonuses. Crazy, huh? So you have literally nothing to lose. And right now, the only risk if you do nothing. So right now, just click the green button below this video and start practicing for your next interview. See you.